This is a final video to fix the GETSOCKOPT error in Minecraft and get you back into your favorite world. Are you tired of seeing this annoying connection message every time you try to join a server? This error happens because your computer and the Minecraft server stop talking to each other correctly. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too confusing or take too much time to follow. Here at Rexish, we make things easy for everyone to understand. There are 4 proven methods to fix this problem, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if your game feels completely broken. You should pause the video and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything important. I will not waste your time with long talks or hard words. These steps work fast and keep your connection strong. Please follow the method step by step, as they show on the screen right now.